She looked up from a tall glass of something I could tell she was needing a friend. Her teardrops were making rings in her whiskey. She cried out, where do I begin? We laughed and talked, sat for hours, never even looked at the clock. She gave me a hug, said I can thank you enough. This really helped me out a lot. Then she walked off. I let her get just barely out of sight before saying I don't want you to leave. I know we just met, but when you left, you leaving made it hard to breathe. I said there's something about you that I can't explain, but there's something that I'm feeling tonight. This could be a sign, and if I'm right, this is what love looks like. And now she's sitting shotgun